If you have to learn English or to become fluent in it, then watch this video till the end or you will regret all over your life. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into it. Welcome back to our channel English Unfiltered, the only way to your English queries. So let me tell you one important thing. Improving your English doesn't require hours of study. The key is to make learning a natural part of your daily routine. Here are three highly effective habits that will help you build fluency step by step. So, first step is to shadowing, imitate native speakers. Now, shadowing is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills at the same time. Here's how it works. First of all, choose a short audio clip from a podcast, TED Talk, or interview with clear pronunciation. Secondly, listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat immediately, matching the speaker's tone, speed, and rhythm as closely as possible. On third, gradually reduce pausing and try speaking along with the speaker in real time. This trains your brain to process English like a native speaker, making conversations feel more natural. Habit second, keep a daily English journal. Writing helps structure your thoughts in English, improves grammar, and expands vocabulary. Try this. Every day, write a short paragraph about your day, something new you learned, or even your thoughts on a book or a movie. Challenge yourself by using new words and expressions. If you are unsure about a word, look up its meaning in an English dictionary. Once a week, review your entries and correct any mistakes. If possible, use AI tools or ask a language partner for feedback. Writing forces you to think in English and express ideas clearly, an essential skill for real conversation. Third habit is to set a no translation rule. Fluency comes when you stop translating and start thinking in English. Here's how to make that shift. When learning new words, don't translate them into your native language. Instead, find their meaning using an English dictionary. If you don't understand a word, describe it in English instead of switching to your native language. Try watching articles where English is the only language available, forcing your brain to adapt. The more you train yourself to process English naturally, the faster you will become fluent in it. So, yeah, in conclusion, improving your English isn't about memorizing rules, it's about consistent daily practice. Shadow native speakers, write in English every day, and reduce translation in your learning process. Stay patient, stay consistent, and progress will follow. For more learning tips, subscribe and keep practicing. I hope you like this video.